Okay, so last time we stopped in terms of play the fiddle on the left-hand side. Now we're going to cross left and hit forward. We're going to step forward and then we're going to hit again. We're going to sweep the left knee, hit with the right. Then we're going to pull down, take a big step. We're actually kicking the knee. Come up, kick, down, and then punch straight forward. So as we're going forward here, arm comes across and we punch there. Okay, so let's go back and do that again. So we're going to play the fiddle on the left-hand side. And we'll see that we're on our heel on this one. And we drop down, we cross over, step forward, sweep the left knee, hit with the right. So 1, sweep the right knee, hit with the left. 2, sweep the left knee, hit with the right. 3, pull down, come up and block, step kick. So you're kicking towards the knee and coming forward. Block and hit at the same time. Make sure that your fist is not turned over. It is vertical here, so bring it in. When you're making a fist, make sure you close your hand, take your thumb across your fingers like this. Again. Play the fiddle on the left. Sweep the left knee, hit with the right. Sweep the right knee, hit with the left. Sweep the left knee, hit with the right. Pull down, come up, kick, and over. Okay, I'm going to do this with my back to you here. Go over this way a little bit. Excellent. So try and focus on your breathing. Make your breath as long as the motion. Breathing up the ground. Feel basically the energy flowing through your body. Practice as much as you can. Please remember to subscribe to our channel and click the bell there so you actually are updated by new videos. See you next time.